Dominic Orlandes, my favorite idol is my father. My father is the one of my idol character. My father is my favorite character because he embodies the qualities I must admire and aspire to. His unwavering strength and resilience have been a constant source of inspiration in my life. No matter the challenges he faces, he approaches them with a calm and steady demeanor, teaching me the importance of the perseverance and fortitude. Beyond his strength, my father possesses an incredible depth of my compassion. He always takes the time to listen and understand, offering support and wisdom without judgment. His kindness extends not only to the family but to everyone he encounters, showing me the power of empathy and the generosity. My father's sense of humor is another trait I cherish. His ability to find joy and laughter in everyday moments creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The light-heartedness has taught me up to appreciate the small pleasures in life and to approach situations with a positive outlook. Moreover, his dedication and hard work are unparalleled. He has showed me the value of the commitment and diligence, always striving to provide and care for our family. His work ethic and integrity are qualities I deeply respect and aim to emulate in my own life. In essence, my father is my favorite character because he is a living example of the virtues I hold their strength, compassion, humor, dedication, and integrity. His presence in my life has shaped me into the person I am today, and for that I am profoundly grateful.